fellow strummers, it's Alan here, back with you for today. Just want to have a quick chat. I was talking to my students last night, and this subject of practicing guitar and trying to get it done every day. With that chat morphed into why is it kids can spend hours and hours playing video games, right? Common answer was, it's dopamine, it gives you a hit, and it does. But I counteracted that comment with the thought that they want to get to the next level, right? They're doing whatever they need to do to get to the next level, and they will just keep trying for as long as it takes until they get to the next level. And all the students agreed with me on that that's true. And I said, well, what could be the next level for you? And well, it's playing a song. I thought, good, yeah, a song could be the next level. But then I thought, hang on, we don't learn like kids do. We don't have that much time as kids do. Most of us can't sit around for hours on end practicing our guitar, as much as we'd like to. So I said, well, what if we make the song the game itself? That's the game. So instead of the song being the level, that is one game, and the levels within that could be a chord change, it could be a song section, just playing through the chorus, for example, for whatever it may be. And having those, so have all those different levels of that song. So you've got your intro, you've got your verses, choruses, bridges, whatever is in that song. Learning the strumming pattern, the different chord changes, etc., could all be levels. All right, and I think it's really important because, if we talk about goals, guitar playing goals, yes, we might want to get better, play a few songs. As good as that is, it's pretty wide and open to a lot of interpretation. So, personally, I'm not a fan of the word goals. I prefer outcomes. So, but if we use the analogy of those video games to give that dopamine hit and to keep you going for hours on end until you get to that next level, all right? If we thought we were learnt like kids, we could be there for a very long time, and it would be very frustrating to try and think, well, that level is so far away. But if we drop the levels, all right, because some of us, we might get 5 minutes a day. Some are, life gets in the way. And some of my students was some I've seen them, they hadn't practiced since then because life got in the way. One had their sister come up, and the other one, single dad, and he's taking care of his kids and everything like that. So, all valid reasons, but it gets in the way of learning what we want to do. Okay, so, and having that far off goal, I want to play this song, seems to be, that could be too far of a pipe dream. And so if we don't have a few of those days where we are playing guitar, it's just oh, that seems so far away now. But if we have the goal, okay, well, just got to get through this chorus section, learn the chords for that, learn the strumming pattern for that, learn the chord progression for that, and have that level at 100%. So when we practice it, we're doing it at a lot slower tempo. So it could be 70s, 80%, 90%, whatever it may be for you. And then to crack that level, we put it up to 100%. Now, unfortunately, there's no fanfare. We don't collect 50,000 points or choose our next latest weapon. I don't think getting a section of the song warrants going out and buying a new guitar. Hey, it might for you, and if that's okay, you go for it. But I think we've got to have realistic expectations and very achievable goals for adults playing this guitar. You know, otherwise, we're just going to put too much stress on ourselves. The brain's got to freak out. We're going to be in overwhelm. You name it. We think we're not good enough, and all those bad thoughts that come with that. All right. So, I guess my advice on this one is just, it's not lower your expectations. It's set a realistic expectation. All right, and reward yourself. Like, you know, you've got that. Whatever the song is. And you got that going on. Be happy with that. All right, and then go to the next level. So the next level is the bridge section, for example. Right? And then 5, 6 levels, you've got that song, you've won that game. Right? Time for a new game. What's the new game? A new song. Okay? Or it could be working on a couple of bar chords while you're still playing through some open chord numbers, whatever it may be. Okay? So I just wanted to share that just so you have a healthy expectation, make it achievable, and bottom line, I'm here to help you play songs for fun. Right? And if this helps you get that going in your head, I've done my job. If not, I'll be back next time, all right, to help you play songs for fun. All right, my friends, until we meet again, this has been Alan Hopker from Gold Coast School of Guitar, and I'm here to help you play songs for fun. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.